Can you see yourself in the 2021 Toyota Corolla? This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 80,000 miles on the odometer. Enjoy a view of this sharp-looking, fuel-efficient Toyota Corolla, the practical-minded yet feature-rich automobile that takes you where you want to go in comfort and style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, satellite radio, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection, alarm, traction control. Spoil yourself a little by making your daily drive something to look forward to. All you need to do is get behind the wheel and let our professional team handle the rest.